Did you know the carry-on you've trusted for years could get you stopped at the gate in 2025? Not because it's dangerous, not because you did something wrong, but because overnight it became illegal. Airlines won't email you, airports won't warn you. You'll only find out when you're standing at the gate watching your bag disappear down a conveyor belt. And that's just the beginning. If you're not ready for these new rules, your next trip could cost you hundreds, or worse, cost you the flight. Part 1. The new carry-on size rule. In 2025, airlines around the world agreed on a so-called universal carry-on size standard. One rule, everywhere. On paper, it sounds perfect. But here are the new numbers: 56 centimeters tall, 40 centimeters wide, 23 centimeters deep. And here's the problem. More than 60% of carry-ons sold today do not actually fit these dimensions. That suitcase you've used for years, the one that always fit overhead, it might fail, not because it's big, but because it's too big by millimeters. And in 2025, you're no longer arguing with a human. Airports are installing automated scanners at check-in counters and boarding gates. They measure every bag down to the millimeter. If your bag fails, even slightly, it's no longer a carry-on. You'll be forced to check it in. And that last-minute fee? Anywhere from $30 to $70. Sometimes more on international flights. And once the scanner flags your bag, there's no appeal. Have you ever been forced to check a bag at the gate? Part 2. The liquid rule confusion. For nearly 20 years, travelers lived under one rule: 100 milliliters, one plastic bag, no exceptions, the 311 rule. But in 2025, that rule is breaking apart. Welcome to what airports are calling the liquid revolution. New CT scanners can digitally unwrap your bag in 3D, detecting threats without forcing you to unpack. At major airports like Heathrow and Amsterdam, passengers can now carry liquids in original containers. No plastic bag, no tiny bottles. Sounds perfect, right? Here's the catch. Not every airport is upgraded. That means you might fly out with full-size liquids and have them confiscated on your return. Same trip, different rules. One bottle of lotion could still ruin your mood and your timing at security. Do you think liquid rules should be global or local? Part 3. Lithium batteries and electronics. If liquids are confusing, electronics are dangerous. In 2025, aviation authorities are cracking down on lithium batteries. Why? Because when damaged or overheated, they can ignite instantly. From now on, spare lithium batteries, carry-on only, power banks above limits, banned, smart luggage, batteries removed. Devices may need to power on at inspection. If your device won't turn on, it may be denied on board. And yes, even your power bank can get confiscated. On some routes, inspections are random and unavoidable. Part 4. Why this is happening. So why now? Security, automation, and profit. Airports want faster lines. Airlines want predictable luggage. And unexpected fees? That's a bonus revenue stream. But it's not all bad news. Prepared travelers move faster, face fewer checks, pay fewer fees. The system rewards awareness. Travel used to feel free. In 2025, it comes with fine print. Every gram, every milliliter, every watt-hour is tracked. The question isn't, are the rules fair? The question is, are you ready for them? Measure your bag, check your airport, inspect your devices. Because the next time you walk into an airport, you'll either glide through or watch your plans fall apart at the gate. If this video helped you, subscribe to avoid flight bans for insider airport updates, hidden rules, and travel tips airlines won't advertise. Your next flight may depend on it.